The Hirsch H.100 was a French experimental aircraft developed in the 1950s to test an innovative aerodynamic gust suppression system. The aircraft was the culmination of decades of research by René Hirsch, an aerodynamic engineer who began working on methods to stabilize aircraft in turbulent air as early as 1936. After World War II, Hirsch founded Moyen's Aerodynamic Deregulation into Control to pursue these ideas, building the H-100 as the sole testbed for his concepts. The H-100 first flew on the 15th of June 1954, initially powered by two 95-horsepower René 4LO air-cooled inverted inline engines. The aircraft was made entirely of wood and featured a cantilever low wing with a trapezoidal planform, a sleek fuselage with smooth cross-sectional transitions, and a tricycle undercarriage that retracted rearward into nacelles extending beyond the wing trailing edge. The gust suppression system was the aircraft's most distinctive feature. The horizontal stabilizers were hinged, allowing variable dihedral, and were mechanically linked to flaps along the wing trailing edge to stabilize pitch. The wingtips could rotate, aiding in roll control. The entire system was pneumatically powered and could be toggled in flight to evaluate its effectiveness. The setup aimed to automatically counteract the effects of vertical gusts by adjusting aerodynamic surfaces in real time. On the 3rd of September 1955, the aircraft was damaged during takeoff and underwent a long rebuild. In 1962, it re-emerged with 170 horsepower Lycoming 0360 flat-4 engines and improved systems, including smaller nose wheels. Now registered as FWGVC, the H-100 resumed test flights, demonstrating the system's effectiveness in over 130 hours of flight. Despite positive results, the system failed to attract commercial or military interest. The lack of funding led to the project's quiet end. The H-100 flew for the last time on the 16th of June 1971 and was subsequently donated to the Musée de l'Air et de l'Espace at Le Bourget, where it remains on display. Beyond the aircraft, René Hirsch's career was marked by innovation. Educated in agronomy and forestry, he turned to aerodynamics in the 1930s, worked on advanced propeller and flight control technologies, and was involved with Onera before dedicating himself to independent research. His work on the H-100 laid foundational ideas for later control systems in turbulent conditions, though they remained largely unrecognized during his lifetime.